Blessings, Weso family. Today, we're bringing you something that grows wild in our yards but carries a legacy stretching across continents. The Jamaican tuna plant, Opuntia ficus indica, better known elsewhere as the prickly pear cactus. If you've ever walked past a thorny, paddle-shaped cactus around Montego Bay or up in the hills of St. Elizabeth, chances are you've met this miracle plant and probably didn't even know the powers it holds. Today, we're unpacking its medicinal uses, beauty benefits, and global roots, so get comfy and let's dive in. Let's start with how our elders use this plant, because in Jamaica, folk medicine isn't just tradition, it's wisdom passed down through generations. Our grannies and bush doctors swear by tuna's gel for everything from constipation and indigestion. Just 1 cup of tuna tea before bed helps settle the belly. Menstrual relief. The gel is boiled with serace or ginger to soothe cramps and bring balance. Back pain and fevers. Rubbed raw on the skin or taken as tea, it cools the body naturally. Detoxification. Some say it cleanses the system better than aloe vera. And if you grew up in rural Jamaica, you've probably seen someone rub tuna gel on eczema, cuts, or even mosquito bites. It's one of those household cures that works quietly, consistently. Now let's talk aesthetics. If you thought tuna was just for internal healing, think again. The gel from the leaves is packed with nutrients, making it a favorite in Jamaican beauty routines. Hair care, blended into conditioners or used raw to treat dandruff, shedding, and even alopecia. It strengthens follicles and promotes growth, especially when paired with rosemary or castor oil. Skin moisturizer, absorbs quickly without leaving oily residue, perfect for all skin types. Skin healer, applied to burns, stretch marks, and scars, thanks to vitamins E and K. And if you really want a DIY spa day, mix tuna gel with honey and lime juice for a face mask that tightens, brightens, and clears blemishes. Here's how Jamaicans prepare and use tuna. Slice a leaf, rinse it well to remove any dirt or spines, then soak overnight in water or coconut water. The resulting tea is gentle yet effective, perfect for detoxing and hydration. Blend the gel into smoothies with pineapple or cucumber for a refreshing pick-me-up. Apply it raw to skin or hair, or combine it with castor oil and peppermint for an invigorating scalp rub. Some people even freeze the gel into cubes for easy use, or infuse it into soaps and lotions. The journey of the tuna plant is a powerful reminder of shared wisdom across cultures. Though native to Mexico, it's found its way into traditional medicine across the globe. Latin America. Called nopal, it's grilled, boiled, and juiced to manage diabetes, boost weight loss, and soothe digestion. The fruit, known as tuna, is eaten raw or made into teas and jams for hangovers and inflammation. Mediterranean, Italy, Greece, Tunisia. Used to treat skin ulcers and digestive issues. The fruit is rich in antioxidants, often consumed for heart health. Middle East, Lebanon, Egypt, Morocco. Added to stews for cholesterol control and joint pain. Herbal infusions made from its fruit treat respiratory issues. India and Southeast Asia. Now part of Ayurvedic-inspired detox plans. Used topically for eczema, burns, and scalp care. Global fusion remedies. Coconut water-soaked tuna pads are gaining traction worldwide as a remedy for back pain, menstrual cramps, and fatigue. Herbalists and nutritionists are now exploring its potential in modern juicing, supplement, and skincare markets. Though not native to Jamaica, the tuna plant is now naturalized. It grows wild and is deeply woven into our herbal traditions. From bush baths to homemade tonics, tuna is embraced not just for what it does, but for what it represents. Resilience, thriving in rocky soil and harsh sun, just like our people. Wisdom, passed down through generations, used quietly and effectively. Versatility, a plant that heals, beautifies, and nourishes, inside and out. You'll find it lining fences, dotting hillsides, and growing behind shops and homes, available to anyone who seeks a more natural approach to healing. So Weso family, next time someone mentions tuna, don't think of fish, think of this bold, paddle-leaved healer growing right in your yard. If you've used tuna in your home, drop a comment below. Share your remedies, your granny's recipes, or your own hair care tricks. Let's preserve this knowledge and celebrate the power of plants. Like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips, where tradition meets transformation.